Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to change the font size on a Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So first of all, you have to open up settings on your phone. Now you're gonna scroll down and find display tab. Here it is. Now on your display, you gotta tap on display size and text. And here you can see the preview window. How will the changes apply, right? So let me try and change the font size. As you see, the changes are being applied immediately, so choose the one to your liking. I like the smallest one, so I'll leave it this way, right? Also, you can use a display size to make everything bigger or smaller. Once again, simply drag it through the scale and choose the one to your liking. Also, if you want to enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.